the real definition of meditation. Meditation, although is a practice, but it's also a state. By doing a certain practice, you will get into a state of meditation. That is what real meditation is. That is when real meditation happens. Because Patanjali Maharshi, if he is alive now, he would be given, or he is at least eligible to be given at least 10 Nobel Prizes. So that amount of research he has done, that amount of deep truths he has revealed in Patanjali Yoga Sutras. So he says, Yoga chitta vritti nirodha. Yoga is cessation of mind, cessation of thoughts, or stopping of thoughts. Dhyanam nirvishaya manaha. This is another definition of meditation. It doesn't count as to how many years you have been practicing meditation, as to how many hours you had been practicing meditation, how many years or hours. It matters as to how much time you're able to stay in thoughtlessness state. As Prabodh was telling about Atma Dhyana, and if you can stay in that state of thoughtlessness, which is actual meditation, and a lot of your karma will also be burnt, and you will also be able to realize your real self.